second, guys. Alright, weight is 0.1 kilo heavier than yesterday. Completely fine. You don't need to worry about it. It's push day today, so I'll see you guys at the gym, alright? So I'm at the gym now. I just saw my friend Jackie. You've seen him actually in like some of my videos. He wants to work out today with me, so you're most likely going to be seeing like in between sets or so on, so don't worry about it. He's not a stalker, okay? He's just a good friend of mine, so we are going to be working out together. He just wants to do the stuff that I'm doing, all right? So we are going to start with the actual started, like warm-ups now, all right? Alright, done with the last push day. I'm gonna talk to you guys as recap, right? Hey guys, so it's another recap time. I just got back home actually, so I have like a bunch of stuff to do, so I'm not gonna be able to like record anything later in the day, so I have to do it like right now. The workout was completely fine. I worked out with a friend of mine, Jackie, so you're gonna see him like in the video appearing like every now and then. It was a great workout. Like overall, I'm feeling great. Everything is going really well. So tomorrow is going to be a leg day, so we'll see how leg day goes. All right, so my push day was completely fine so far. Tomorrow is the difficult leg day, so it's going to be more challenging, I believe. And also this is like pretty much the end of my 6-week challenge. Like we are almost there, literally. So I will be pushing as much as I can, and we will see how it goes. All right, other than that, training with a friend is like always a good thing. It kind of helps you push a little bit more than you normally would, okay? Just like having someone nearby and doing it with you. And also in terms of, for example, like controlling your rest periods and so on, having someone that you work out with is also a great option. So normally as I said, I mean, like he literally asked himself, normally like I've known him for like, you know, almost 2 years now. But like I'm always happy to train with like other people, because even though I prefer training alone, if you have someone you can, you know, like train together, I think that's a great option. It makes like the whole session go like way faster than normal, and also it makes it more enjoyable. And also, for example, during like certain lifts, like you can push like a little bit more than you normally wouldn't, because you have your friend who can actually help you during that lift, which I did, I think, on the incline bench on my last set. I think I literally couldn't lift the weight anymore, like absolute failure. Normally I don't do that. You know how I train, I always train alone normally, and when I don't have a friend, like I don't do that basically. But like because I had my friend with me, so I was like, okay, so I can just push like a little bit further and like literally go to absolute failure. All right, so it's a good thing if you have any friends, you know, who might benefit from losing a few pounds, or who might benefit most likely from like gaining some weight or like getting overall healthier, that's a great thing. That I think that's like one of the best things that you can do to a person, like helping them go through training with you, right? Like get them into a healthier overall life. Like this is literally the best gift that you can give to anyone, okay? A healthier life. Like this is like the absolute best thing, all right? So anyways, like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys tomorrow on leg day. I asked Jackie to see if he dares to train legs with me tomorrow. He said okay, but we'll see if he shows up or not, all right? So if he shows up, I'm gonna be training with him again tomorrow, all right? So take care.